Hello, my name is Lloyd. I look after Console Connect application support. My job is to help our users with anything related to our platform. Today, I will be showcasing how to connect to Oracle Cloud with Console Connect CloudRouter, taking advantage of a better, more secure and smarter way to get your cloud instance. From the dashboard, go to the menu, then click on CloudRouter and View All. Then click on Add Site to CloudRouter, select Cloud and click on Oracle Cloud. Over here, you need to enter your Oracle ID for the FastConnect. For that, you need to head over to the Oracle portal. In Oracle, go to FastConnect under Networking and Customer Connectivity. Then click on Create FastConnect. Select FastConnect Partner and then select the partner. Then click on Next. Enter the FastConnect name. Then select the details. And click on Create. Then copy the Oracle OC ID and head back to Console Connect. In Console, paste your Oracle ID and select your Oracle port location. Then click on Next. Enter your site name. Then select your bandwidth and select your class of service. Then click on Next. Over here you can review the order. Then click on Next. Over here is the payment page. Here you need to agree to the terms and conditions. Please note, only invoice payments are supported at this point in time. Then click on Create Site. This will take a moment to complete. Once the provisioning is completed, you can head back to Oracle and refresh the page. You will see the Oracle service is provisioned and the BGP session is up. Thank you for watching, and if you have any further questions, please reach out to us on support@consoleconnect.com. I would be more than happy to help you further.